Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having a go at a festive look. I hope you enjoy. This is how it turned out. And please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. I have a giveaway coming soon, so please stay tuned. So, everybody knows, if you've been watching my videos, I love the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. I've just gone ahead and applied that all over my skin. I did prime. Now I'm carving out my brows and doing a lot of concealer because this is going to be for either a night out or a festive office party. You know, it's just, we're going full on. So go ahead and blend the edges, really dabbing. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Now, I do go wrong slightly, but I just want to show you how easy it is to just stop and just literally wipe away an error. It's that brilliant. So, I'm then going to follow with the bronzer from Dior Skin. Now, this is the pink and brown shade. I've gone for this because you don't want to look too caked in makeup for an event. If you're going to have a lot of drinks, a lot of dancing, powder can be brilliant in not moving when you're hot, bothered, hugging people, kissing people. You know, powder's a good way to go. Now, to create this balance and harmony that I'm talking about, using a bronzer, a good quality bronzer in your crease is always a good idea because it creates a continuity in your makeup. It makes it look seamless. Sorry, I had to put some Clarins lip oil on because I like to do that first. But getting back to that, yes, it just creates a softer look, and we're going for a very bold lip, so there's a few versions coming up towards the end. But yes, use your bronzer. It's an amazing, amazing tip. And under eyes just makes the whole thing look softer. Now I'm using my current favourite, the Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use both pinky and goldy tones. You'll see them in there. These are so easy to work with, these eyeshadows. Now, I like to keep checking where I've placed it, what I'm doing. This is also a really good look for a quick switch up after you've worked makeup and then go into your nighttime makeup. So you just literally place the product where you want and always do the inner corner and under eye. It opens up the eye more and it again just looks more festive. So if you want to define the eye, I've gone for a medium tone from the Huda Beauty palette just there. And what this does is it creates a soft glam effect. So rather than using black or brown, a nice brick shade can make all the difference. It just gives it that soft sort of full look to the eyes rather than them seeming unfinished. Just a bit of fallout there. So the eyeliner, we're going for a super winged look today. This Dior pen is amazing. So just little bit by bit and just keep adding more. And you'll notice I always stop and have a look. That's because I want to see the level, the height, the thickness of my liner. And then just, it's about also having confidence. Just go for it. Maybe practice this look before you go out and see where it takes you. Now, the super winged liner that I mentioned, the reason I've done this is because as you pull out the liner, it's actually going to create a 3D effect with your lashes. The black line of the liner and the black tip of your lashes is going to create a more fluttery look. So you don't have to wing it out as much as I have, but it's just a trick that I've learned over the years. And there we go, having a little look, checking that it's all in place. So if you have a look how pretty even, don't worry if it's not even because we do have different eye sizes as well. I've mentioned these curlers before, they're from Essence Beauty, they do the job every time. I've seen a little bit there. Makeup is not something that has a confinement of rules. You know, you can add more, you can start another section. It's all about how you want to do it. That's what I'm trying to do in my videos. They're not perfect. I'm just trying to show how a real life person actually does their makeup. I absolutely adore this NARS Super Radiant Booster. Now you can use it for all over highlight, that makes me happy, and on your décolletage, on your legs, on your hands, forehead, brows, just everywhere. It's amazing. Just be sure to blend. This is my favourite NARS blush, apart from Orgasm of course. Pink does make everything better. Can you see it's just brought the look more, it looks more tied up. Now blend away with your foundation brush. I have to say I'm quite impressed with these tatty lashes. They were actually free in my goodie bag, and I actually am quite impressed. The glue I didn't think would be any good. It was brilliant. I usually use my duo adhesive, but this was fabulous. So now I am in love with my new highlight from YSL. Now the Touche Éclat, obviously it's a classic, but for me it's new, so I conceal first and then I like to highlight. The layers that we're adding, you don't need to worry. If you've got a good prep, a good base, a good makeup skin, the creases will stay away. Just swipe them away and we'll get ready to absolutely go ahead with my new craze and bake. Now baking I'm new to. I didn't believe in it at first, but I wanted to understand it and research it. So now I'm baking on a daily basis for my videos, especially glam looks like this, where you want to stay in place in terms of your makeup. So we're going to be doing a lot of makeup looks, and I have a giveaway coming soon as well, so please stay tuned for that. Now, whilst I bake, I like to do a nude lip if I've decided to go for a bold lip just to see how I feel. Just taking a bit of Chanel Le Beige bronzer and softening any edges. But yes, as I said, lips. So I'm taking the NARS Borneo lip liner. It's got a 90s style to it. And then I will follow with MAC Velvet Teddy, which I'm sure everybody has heard of. Now, I like to check if I'm actually feeling a nude colour, but seeing as this is a festive look, I do go ahead and do a couple of looks with two bold colours, a red and a vampy maroon. The fluffiest brush you can find is needed here to blend away any translucent powder. I am going to try more powders. If you have any suggestions, please comment below what other translucent powders, because Laura Mercier I thought I'd start off with. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe and Jeffree Star Iconic Bolds Lip Kit. This is in the shade Red Rum. Before I've done the bold maroon, I want to do a red because it's classic. This doesn't come off at all. You do need to keep it with you to top it up depending on what drinks and what food you're having. But yes, I highly recommend these Jeffree Star Liquid Matte Lip Velours. Now, just seeing how that looks, I think I still want to go darker. I did add gloss. If you think things are looking a little bit flat, go ahead. Now this NARS Endangered Red is an amazing matte lip pencil or lipstick. This is my go-to for a vampy or bold lip. It complements the winged liner perfectly. It's not drying, you can even actually use it as a lip liner. It's totally up to you, but you can see that it just goes on effortlessly. To finish, I always use a mist, and this will keep your makeup in place. This is the MAC Fix Plus. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. I will keep trying to bring you quality content, and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.